Hello, we are in Chapter 6, Section 6.3, Solutions of Quadratic Equations. In this video, we're going to go over problem number 9, in which we are to solve the given quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. First of all, notice that our quadratic equation is already written in the form with 0 isolated on the right-hand side, and the left-hand side is written in descending powers of the variable simplified. So we can use the quadratic formula directly. Let me remind you the quadratic formula. And it's the matter of identifying our coefficients. A is 2, B is positive 8, and C is negative 5. So we plug it into our quadratic formula to get x equals minus b will be negative 8 plus or minus under the square root we're going to have b squared, that means a squared, minus 4 times. A is 2 and c is negative 5. That's under the square root, of course, over 2 times a, 2 times 2. And now it's just a matter of simplifying that. So we're going to have negative 8 plus or minus, then we have 64, and 4 times 2 times 5 is 40. 2 negatives and 1 positive give us a positive, so it's plus 40. Still under the square root, over 4. So that's negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 104 over 4. And 104 has a perfect square factor of 4, which is 2 squared. So we can rewrite it as negative 8 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 26. 26 times 4 is equal to 104, all over 4. Now we acknowledge that the numerator has a common factor of 2, which also is a factor of the denominator. So we'll write it as 2 multiplied by negative 4, plus or minus just 1 square root of 26. All over 2 times 2. Now we can simplify the 2's as factors of the numerator and denominator, and that leaves us with these two solutions of negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 26 over 2. And again, to remind you, one of them is with plus, one of them is with minus. Also, if we write them separately, we can also split the fractions and have it at least partially in simplified form. So x is equal to negative 4 over 2 plus the square root of 26 over 2. Or x is equal to negative 4 over 2 minus the square root of 26 over 2. Now, negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. So we're going to have negative 2 plus the square root of 26 over 2, or negative 2 minus the square root of 26 over 2. And those will be our two solutions. It's always or between them. And that's it for this problem.